Everyone, and welcome to yet another vlog. So in this vlog I'm going to be showing you our new apartment. I say ours because I'm sharing with another YouTuber called Mandy Shine. So please make sure you go and follow her and watch all of her videos actually. So yeah, I'm talking too much. Let me show you the house. So this is the entrance and we have a lovely mirror. Yeah, so we do all our dressing here, and as you come there's the passage. So I'm just going to cover this area because our wardrobes are here, as you can see. So I got a very big wardrobe because my roommate she already has got a closet in her room, so to my own advantage I've got all this to myself. And welcome to our tiny living room, our humble living room. It's not much, I know, and you'd expect a lot, but well, we are working with what we have. So we have got this couch. It can actually be turned into a bed, and it's very cozy because you can sit here and what? Because right now, I can't even pause. We're actually following Alex on YouTube, and since we're all YouTubers, we just like watching videos of other YouTubers, getting inspiration. So yeah, and we have got this very cool rug. If you saw my video in the hostel, I had just recently bought this. It's so comfy, and actually it fit with the furniture in here, but we'll buy more furniture, not furniture, decorations. Then we have got this closet. So this house is cool, guys. This house is so cool because you can actually, when you feel like watching a movie at night and you don't like the lights, you can just switch on some lights here, then you switch everything off. It's just nice. And yeah, like I said, this is our television and this is our kitchen. So the very best part about this house, it came fully furnished and everything, I mean everything that you would ever want is here. So we have got a gas stove, which I'm really happy about because recently I've become an activist for green energy. So we actually use gas and I know that it lasts than electricity. Then we have drawers here, which have got, sorry about the mess. Everything that is here came with the house. You got pots, dishes. The dishes, yeah, came with them. Yeah. And you see, even the juicer is here. Everything, it came with the house. So we also have a coffee machine. Apparently, the funny thing is that the first time we were here, the first week actually, we couldn't use this. Then one day I was like, okay, we're going to use it. And we actually did. And it's now working, so we can actually make coffees in the morning. You see, right now it doesn't have enough water. So now, okay, we have all these cupboards. So here, they just fill things like the cups that did not fit in here, but we have this. Some of them are still in the washing. What do you call this? Dishwasher. So we have cups, plates, all different kinds of plates. Then we have the this is our food. So we use this to store our food or coffees or teas. Then we have glassware here. I really don't know why we put it up there, but when we came it was already there. So we also have a dishwasher. This is a dishwasher. It's very economy because we actually use it like twice a week. Oh, thank you. We actually use it like twice a week because we want to save water, we want to save electricity. That's the world we live in right now. Everything has got to be saved. So we try to save water and save electricity. So we actually like use it during the weekends when everything is all stocked up, because during the week actually we have different like time shifts with my housemate. Let me say my sister. With my sister, because it's actually difficult for me to clean my housemate. So like we actually just make use of it like Saturdays and Sunday, maybe Fridays, but during the week like we don't meet. Usually we don't meet. We just see maybe for 30 minutes and that's it, because we have different shifts. And we have got a bin here. It has got a lot of storage, so we have got a bin here. Yeah. Oh. And the storage also here. So the house also has got a steamer. We have a steamer. We have a steamer also if we feel like eating nice natural things, nice cooked food. Then we also have a stove. This was my favorite part. We also have a stove. So yeah, we'll be doing a lot of baking. So this is oh my god, I don't even know what I'm just okay. Pause right there. This is so funny. Okay, so oh, I said stove. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed right now. So we've got a stove, and it can fit everything. Then we have got a microwave. It can actually do a lot of things. You can grill, you can defrost, you can just warm your food. It's very, very, very useful. Then up here, oh, I didn't even know that we had more glasses here. So you can come for drinks, yo. You invited for drinks. Then our refrigerator is actually quite a mess because we have got all kinds of foods there. I don't know what's going on. Like, we've got all kinds of food, but I think tomorrow we're going to be doing some more grocery shopping because we don't have enough. Then we also have a water siphon if you want to make like, I don't know what you call this, but if you want to like put, what do you call it? What do you want to say?
Tea leaves.
Yeah, we can put tea leaves here and make just some water, the infused water actually. You can make some infused water. So you see, it came like fully furnished, and we have another bin here. Like seriously. And the best thing also, the other thing that I really like about the house, also the floors. They're easy to clean. Like they're very, very easy to clean. And here is our I don't know what we can call this. We just like sometimes when you're cooking, you just sit here, like have food, or maybe when the house is full one day, we'll sit here, we'll host everyone here. So yeah, let's go outside. So we have a small balcony. I already washed my clothes and sorry. So we have got a nice view. You can just yeah. I hope we can see a bus maybe, because on that road over there you can actually see the bus stop. So when I'm coming from work, it's just like 2 minutes to get there. Then when I'm going to work, it's just like 3 minutes, because just after this building there's already another bus stop which I use to go to work. So the location is very good because it's easy to get transport. And yeah, those are our neighbors. Oh my god. Oh, so I really enjoying it, from the hostel to a beautiful house. Wow. So welcome to our bathroom. So our bathroom now. This is our humble bathroom. So we also have a line just in case in winters when it's snowing, we can hang our clothes here. And there's this where you can put like your things here. And the tub also. It actually looks smaller on a video or in a picture. I don't know why. But then I can actually fit here. Ha! You know, like, hey, hello, bonjour. You know, like, so I've already used this like twice because I've been using this and it smells good. I can't wait for Amanda to try this because if she doesn't, she'll find it finished in no time. So like we can hang our towels here, we can hang stuff here. Here you can already see some detergents. Oh, let me put this here because someone was going to forget about it. Then we have like plugs where we put our toothbrushes. It's just nice. And we also have the lovely mirror, but I don't think we ever use this because I prefer the one in the passage. Then we have got a shower, a lovely shower. This is very good when it's in the morning because you just want to take your bath and go. You don't want to waste time. So yeah, come along. Oh, I forgot to put the mats in place. So yeah, you're used to being in my dorm room. So now I have a special place. I've got my own bedroom and wow, it's nice. I really love it because I just decorated a bit and I really enjoy this room. I really love it. I can't wait to make it feel like my own space because I still have a lot of things to do. I still have got to buy pillows. For bedding, I think I'm okay, but I still need to like find good pillows. Then there is this cupboard. As you can see, there are already bags and pajamas. Then my makeup boxes and the pajamas at the bottom. Then I couldn't organize this, guys. Like who? I know most of you guys. This is even better. Come on, like forgive me, but this, nah, I'm not going to organize. So this is Amanda's head. I don't know what it's looking for here. So I use it.
Ooh, bags.
So I actually have got my own dresser. I don't use it anyway. Just use it to store stuff. And a drawer where I just, oh, if you're my friend, you remember this phone. I'm actually holding my ID card. Let me put it here so that you don't see it. If you're my good friend, you would remember this phone. Like, I had this phone from part 4-1, I think, like during my bachelor's. But I always keep it because it has got my pictures and some data. So just keep it just in case one day I charge it. So guys, come. Yeah. So we've got to save electricity. So tell me what you think about the house. And yeah, I'm not going to tell you the price of the house, obviously, for obvious reasons. I'm not going to tell you the prices of the house, but yeah, we can't wait to make this house feel like home. We can't wait to host people if we find people, because it's just me and Amanda and well, family. But well, we really enjoy being here, and like since I came here, like I just feel relaxed, and I feel like I'm at home. That homey feeling, that's what you get here. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay, let me do a proper outro. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if we move to another place, I'll also do another video. So credits I'm just going to give to Mindy Shine for taking this video, and also go watch a video. I've said it already. And if you're not subscribed, don't just be coming and just watching the videos. Come on, just show some support, because we are at the road to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, or maybe the first 2 months of 2022. But yo, come on, you don't lose anything, it doesn't cost anything. Just go and subscribe. So thank you so much, and bye bye.